Hello everyone, my name is Cole Klein, and today I'm going to inform you on the atomic bombs. Did you know that nearly 200,000 people suffered casualties as a result of the atomic bomb? The Manhattan Project, or the making of the atomic bomb, was a quick but not so easy solution to end the war with Japan. The result was terrible, but proved to save many American lives, and the time and money spent on the project turned out to be worth it in the end. The idea of the atomic bomb was not our idea from the start. According to ushistory.org, Nazi scientists discovered the concept of splitting uranium atoms first, and great fear of Nazi Germany making a weapon of mass destruction had set in. In early 1939, Albert Einstein and Enrico Fermi escaped the Axis powers, and both scientists fled to the US. Albert escaped Nazi Germany, while Enrico escaped fascist Italy. Both wanted the war in the US government, and they used letters, and one even used a meeting with the president. Roosevelt agreed, after learning of Germany's recent scientific accomplishments, to start a program focused on building the atomic bomb. Thus, the Manhattan Project was born. In early 1940, the Manhattan Project was underway. According to ushistory.org, the project was kept top secret. Only a small amount of scientists knew what the research was for. The project employed over 120,000 Americans. In fact, at the time, the current vice president didn't even know that the Manhattan Project even existed. Then, after 5 years and nearly $2 billion in research, the first trial was completed on July 16, 1945. The test was a huge success, and the scientists could not even predict what would happen. The first test bomb was placed on scaffolding 100 feet above the floor. When the bomb went off, it created a half-mile wide crater and a mushroom cloud spanning 40,000 feet in the air, and car windows on civilians' vehicles and homes blew out over 100 miles away. Soon after, Truman was informed of the recent results. Finally, the bombs were put to the test on August 5th, 1945, after Truman discovered Japan's response at the Potsdam Conference, according to ushistory.com. Truman was informed of the casualties that a U.S. land invasion would cause, and decided the conventional bombing of Japan would soon be underway. On August 6, 1945, Little Boy, the first of the atomic bombs, was dropped on Hiroshima, detonating 1,900 feet above the city with the equivalent force of 12,500 tons of TNT. 80,000 people were killed instantly, and 60,000 more over the next 5 years. According to AtomicHeritage.org, on August 9, 1945, Fat Man, the second of the atomic bombs, was dropped on Nagasaki with the equivalent force of 21,000 tons of TNT, and as a result, 80,000 people were left dead. All in all, the building and dropping of the atomic bomb was a safe way to end the war with Japan. If it wasn't for Truman's decision to use this weapon, many Americans would have died, and even though what was done was terrible, it was done to prevent every citizen of the United States of America, to protect every citizen of the United States of America.